Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I will be showing you how to connect your Instagram account to your Threads account. So as a matter of fact, there isn't that much to do to connect your Threads account to your Instagram account, because honestly you don't need to do anything at all. It is already connected. The moment you use your Instagram account to log in to your Threads account, it is already connected. But let me show you how it works. So I am currently on my Threads account over here. So I'm gonna head over to my profile, and on the top right corner of the screen you'll see that there's an Instagram logo. That means when you click on this, it's gonna send you immediately to your Instagram account. And then on the top right corner of your Instagram profile, you'll see the Threads logo that if you click on it, you'll be sent to profile. And I'm sure other people, your followers, can see this as well. Because like, if I'm gonna go through some of my friends, for example, I'm gonna go and check their profile. For example, here, as you can see on the top right corner of the screen, there is a Threads account logo. So if you click on it, you'll get sent to their Threads account. It's that simple, basically. You just click on that and then your Threads account will be shown. Thank you for watching. That is how you connect it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this